with Maya, beat by Maya, period. What it do? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, this man. I'm back on the count with another banger video. And like I said in the last one, if y'all got 10 likes, I was gonna let my niece do the next one. And I really don't know if y'all got 10 likes because it's the same day, but I believe in y'all. So let's go ahead and give this video 10 more likes for another banger. And if y'all didn't know, I'm doing a video every day for 90 days. So go ahead and turn on your post notifications. And don't forget to watch every single video. And go watch my last video, how to get free stuff from Amazon, periods, okay? Some of these products that she's using, I got free. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. And this video is not sponsored. I don't know why y'all kept telling me that video was sponsored. It was not sponsored. I did not get sponsored for that. I was just really trying to put y'all on and put y'all on some game, okay? So, my other niece, Amaya, is about to do my makeup. She is also not experienced. But I'm going to close my eyes. And, demure. Y'all, if the camera fall in any one of these videos, it was my daughter.
Did you want to?
If y'all hear the TV, my granny is watching Netflix. Y'all just understand that I live in America. It can't be quiet 24/7. Let's go. Chris, you wanna do the how to make soap video? Okay.
So you don't want too much foundation.
Mama, go find your pig. Go get your pig so we can play. Peppa Pig, where are you?
Okay.
So now, bubbles.
It's in your toy plug it. You gonna play with the bubbles?
Yeah.
Okay, turn your bubbles on. I feel like I'm crooked, y'all.
I like it.
So now I'm gonna do the loose setting powder. Oh wait, I didn't blend it in. Keep your eyes closed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Everybody's going to look at that. Well, I guess y'all ain't gotta pay nobody to do my makeup when I die. Y'all can do it.
Nasty, Mama.
I look nasty.
Yeah.
Maya doing her makeup.
Girl, I am a pro at this. Y'all not even knowing.
Go in the room and play.
Maya trying now.
Go in your room and play with the bubbles, Demure. It's like she got bubble mix.
Mary, I think you put
It's up there.
I did. The powder had wasted on her shirt and stuff.
Indeed, girl, you look at me.
Right here. Mama, oh, I forgot to tell y'all, this is the cream contour palette. Yeah. Here, talk to Amy. Mama, she said Amy.
Okay.
Hold on, wait, Granny, let me tell her. Here, come here. You see that? She's like,
Okay.
okay. So now, I am about to, hold on, okay. This is the eyeshadow palette. Now can you do this one? Oh, this cute. Okay, now I'm gonna add a silver color.
Can't be cussing to our video. We can't even monetize.
My aunt looks very pretty.
No, I'm gonna wait till she done. I think I look beautiful.
Period. This look better than Mari. First off, I had put wasted powder.
I already had powder on my shirt.
Ooh, I smelled it. Am I cute, Demure? Mama pretty?
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
And mama cute?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm watching. My turn.
Wait, you gotta wait till mama finish. And then it's your turn, okay?
No.
Why?
Move.
You gonna make me cry.
It's my turn. What's that? The contour palette. Which one? This. Okay. Like this.
That's soap. Where is it?
Where your apple juice?
Say I drunk it. Nephew, I look good. Give me 1 out of 10. Nephew, I know you're here.
enough.
I can hear you.
It's better than mine. First off, I wasted powder, and that's okay. I ain't tripping because I got time. If only I could do her eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna do one. Now,
That's because Myra was pressing too hard.
what she needs is that thing that go like this. Where is that?
It's a print. It's an eyebrow pencil.
It's a pencil.
It's probably on this flow because Demure had it.
Or it's probably in that bucket.
Oh, please don't play that.
She wasted.
Where she wasted it? Hurry up, because them will start running.
What if I just put a marker?
Look in that bucket right there. I think it's like another one that's it's short. No, that white bucket.
It's okay. It's okay. Just get a knife.
It's a door quick. With a girl.
Let me see. Let me see if I can do it.
I just said I'll do it for her. It ain't that bad.
Stop, Demure. Demure.
You sure do need to draw them.
Forget you.
Well, it do actually look like a real eyebrow. But how? You need it that bad.
Oh, okay, you gonna stop scoring on me, sir. I can't really see. My vanity mirror looks better, but though. Let me see. I was born without eyebrows. Shoot.
Let me take my picture.
Get your baby.
I'm gonna go.
You look like your eyes snort crack. Ain't gonna go to you.
I got you.
Okay, here. Demure, every time you come over here, you make this camera fall.
Especially on your cool.
Look up.
This for the gram.
Smile.
Book with Maya. Beat by Maya.
Wait, you gotta restart.
Okay. Book with Maya. Beat by Maya. Period.
0.5.
Oh, okay. So I look better, but you, if could I get your number if I walked up to you?
I did my mama number. She can cut you out.
Think you on crack or something.
But thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and if y'all want to see my nephew do this, make sure you get this video at least 10 likes. Y'all, this camera done failed about 18 times, but it's okay. Real life struggles of a YouTuber. But get this video a thumbs up, and like I said, if it gets 10 plus likes, my nephew gonna do this on me. Stay tuned for the next video because we finna be making some soap. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell your mama, your aunties, your uncles, your grandpas, everybody. If y'all want me to go to the worst review makeup artist in my city, go ahead and get this video to 50 likes, and I'm gonna be at the worst review makeup artist in this city of mine, Dallas, Texas. Let's get it. Let's go. Bye, guys. What are you talking about?